So on this side, Mendel's laws of inheritance, very important. George Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas, that is Pisum sativum, for 7 years, year 1856 to 1863, and proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms. Okay, now 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plant studied by Mendel. 7 pairs of contrasting traits. Now what are these? Now you see character, dominant trait, recessive trait, seed shape, seed color, flower color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, and stem height. Now stem height could be tall, dwarf, flower position, axial, and terminal. So axial one is the dominant one. Axial one is the dominant one, remember, and terminal one, it is a recessive trait. Okay, axial one is the dominant. Now pod color green and yellow, so it's kind of opposite of the seed color, yellow green, so in here green yellow. Now seed shape round wrinkle. Okay, another name for wrinkle is smooth. Now seed colors yellow green. Now flower color violet and white. Now pod shape, it's full and constricted. Now another example, it's given in here like inflated or full. So inflated or full, inflated another name, or constricted, right? Constricted. In here it's also smooth or wrinkle seeds. So Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. What is true breeding line? A true breeding line is one that, having undergone continuous self-pollination, its continuous self-pollination shows the stable trait. If it continues going to self-pollination, of course it will show the stable trait, inheritance and expression for several generations. If it is stable, then it will express for several generations. So this is true breeding line. Now Mendel selected these 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as pairs in 7 pairs of contrasting traits, which were similar except for one character. It means one tall, then another is dwarf, except for one character with contrasting traits. Okay, now some of contrasting traits selected were smooth or wrinkled seeds, yellow or green seeds, inflated, that is full or constricted, green or yellow pods, tall or dwarf plants. So 7 pairs of contrasting traits. In here also contrasting traits studied by Mendel in P. Same written in here, characters and contrasting traits. See flower position, axial and terminal. Axial one is dominant.